Hello everyone. Before I start my training module today, first, I would like to explain you why we should be proud to be a civil engineer. Because civil engineering empowers us to build the world around us. Because we have a potential to make our dream to a reality. Because civil engineering is a creative field in their own way. Because we can contribute towards the society by making environmental friendly and green infrastructure. In my presentation today, I will cover following items: introduction to instructor, objective of the course, and why you should attend the course. GCE is a leading online civil engineering, technical, and professional training platform. The training modules are developed with extensive research of civil engineering industry, their current demand, latest design software requirements, and construction practices. Objective of this course is as below: train civil engineers to build safe, environmental friendly, and most advanced infrastructure. Train them to consider health and safety as the foundation of civil engineering infrastructure design. What you gain from this course: broad division of civil engineering, complete understanding of civil engineering project from concept to completion, and collaborative working practices. I hope you have enjoyed this module. Please read the disclaimer for your information. Thank you.